Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to see what you have watched, resume content or manage recommendations, your watch history on Prime Video gives you a full record of your activity. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to view your watch history on Prime Video in 2026, simple and clear. So you have to know that watch history is tied to your account. It works best on web, okay, as a full control. It syncs across devices, okay, so best experience equals use web browser, okay. So I am using a phone, okay. So open Prime Video, like go to Prime Video app or website, sign into your account, be ready to access history. So go to account settings, okay, tap or click your profile icon, select settings. It opens your account's dashboard, okay. So open watch history. So you have here many options. So if you watch something, you will see the watch history option, okay. So go to watch history tab, you will see all watched content, okay. Browse your history, like list of movies and episodes sorted by dates watched, okay. So it helps you track your activity. Remove items, so this is optional, like click remove from watch history, okay. It deletes item from your history. Improve recommendations, so removing items updates suggestions. It helps personalize your feed. Cleaner history means better recommendations, okay. Use continue watching, like resume unfinished content quickly, okay. It's found on homepage, okay. So that's it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.